It's July, it's summer, it's warm, it's breezy. I love summertime, and we have some really great recipes and DIY outdoor ideas featuring Limoneira Citrus that I'm excited to share with you all month long right here on the Limoneira YouTube channel. If you've been a longtime subscriber to the Limoneira YouTube channel, you may remember some of these tips for ways that you can naturally keep mosquitoes away or bugs away as you're enjoying your backyard, featuring Limoneira Citrus. I'm going to share them with you right now. Maybe you've seen them, maybe you haven't. It's a great refresher, so let's take a look. I love drinking smoothies, and in the summertime it's a really great way to hydrate and nourish. And if you have extra smoothie, you can always throw it in a popsicle mold, and voila, you have easy popsicles for you and your kids to enjoy too. And right now I want to share with you one of my favorite easy, quick go-to morning smoothie ideas that I like to make in the morning. I love it, my kids love it, it's so delicious, and here's how you make it. Don't forget to look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store, and you can also order citrus to be delivered to your home from freshfocusdelivery.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to stay connected with us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.